Hey, what's up everybody? Guess what we got going on today? Another unboxing, that's right. Guess what's in the boxes this time? What'd you say, diapers? Who said that? You're a funny guy, diapers, come on with the diapers. Oh, we got some more ball pythons, of course. Yeah, they're really getting to know me at this FedEx facility. I wish we could get all these things shipped out at the same time. Unfortunately, the weather isn't that great in some parts of the country, so, you know, snake safety comes first, so we'll just make several trips up here until we get them all. So let's head on home and I'll do the unboxing for you. Diapers. You guys are jokesters. I haven't been in diapers in over 40 years and don't plan on being back in them for another 3 years at least. Hey, let's take a quick shortcut through Mexico. Get home a little quicker. Okay, so I just made it back from the FedEx hub and it's time for the box opening. We'll do the smaller box first. All right, this one is from Fireball Pythons. And I believe this is the third snake that we've got from them. More stickers. Another keychain. So I'll have enough of these keychains soon to put one key on every keychain. Hello, heat pack. All right, let's see what we got. Ooh, okie dokie. So this is an Enchi chocolate pet clown. And so I got this to go with the chocolate cinnamon clown that I got from the same breeder. So that'd be a pretty cool combo. Get the super chocolate out of it with the Enchi and cinnamon on top. Bam! That'd be cool. All right, let me put this girl away. And on to the second one. All right, this one is from Get Morphed BP. Oh, geez. If I put this back in the box, he doesn't even. That's where the boxes go. Everybody knows the box. Alrighty. To number 2. This one is one I'm super excited about. Oh, wow. Yeah! Woo!
Well, Lottie frickin' God!
Sorry, I didn't mean to scream at you. I didn't mean to scream at you, little fella. All right, so this, look at that. This is a Leopard clown het Lavender albino. Look at that head stamp. That is a cool looking head stamp. Looks like he has a cross on it. I like it. All right, and I have a couple females I plan to breed with this in the future that I opened in another unboxing. Well, we didn't do a video for it, but because I wanted to wait till I got this one before I explain what the other two was. So I'll pull them out now. All right, these are both lessers, but they're het clown, het lavenders that I plan to put with him in the future. Really excited about making the lavender clown. And with a leopard on top of it, leopard lavender clown. Oh, stay there, bud. Oh, where are you going? Look at that. Very cool. Alrighty. Alright guys, I think that's gonna wrap it up for this video. Hey, do me a favor, if you enjoyed the video, would you hit that subscribe button and give it a thumbs up for me? I appreciate it. We'll see you next time. Okay guys, if you're ever curious if your snake is ovulating, what it looks like, it's pretty obvious. You can see 2/3 of the way down on her body, how thick it is right here. Almost looks like she swallowed a super-sized rat or a baby rabbit or something. You see how skinny her tail is. That's a good indication. Just thought I'd share that with you.